Speed. Now can you tell the difference between two identical objects traveling at different speeds? Nearly everyone knows that the one moving faster or the one with a greater speed will go farther than the one moving slower in the same amount of time. Whatever speed is, it involves both distance and time. Faster means either farther, great distance, or sooner, less time. Doubling one's speed would mean doubling one's distance traveled in a given amount of time. Doubling one's speed would also mean halving the time required to travel a given distance. The rate of motion of an object can be measured by finding out the distance traveled by the object in unit time. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. This is represented by this symbol. In most cases, objects will be in non-uniform motion. Therefore, we describe the rate of motion of such objects in terms of their average speed. The average speed of an object is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled by the total time taken. If an object travels a distance s in time t, then its speed v is equal to s upon t.